Everybody, I just wanted to go over a quick trade recap that I had on Friday. Probably should have did this sooner, but procrastination got the better of me. So, let's see. I traded AMD on Friday, and it was a very simple strategy. I had the 260 in play, or in mind, I should say. So, first green candle, as you can see, very strong green candle. But I knew that this push right here, it was just a fake out. Nice little fake out over 260, 264, 265 area. And then I have another area right here as far as for resistance. So pretty much top tick this. Well, not really top tick. Couldn't do market order on Robinhood, unfortunately. They don't let you do that within the first 15, but almost top ticked it. Limit order price was 110, and I'll try to put up the screenshots of where I entered and exit. So it was 110, and then I was looking for, like I said, a move back down under the 260, but the contracts were so volatile, I ended up getting out right here at the close of this 5-minute candle, and I got filled at 2.20, so 100% trade. Made 2,200 on that, easy trade. And then just for the next candle to dump under the 260, which was my initial move that I wanted. And it's all right. I wasn't mad about it. I was just waiting for it to pop right back up into 265 area. And I probably should have waited on the second one because my entry wasn't the best. I got a little antsy. So I entered early right here on this candle right here, this red candle at the top of it, 264 pretty much. And then my fill on there was 1.14. Same 260 contracts. And then we popped up to 265. I was just looking for some sort of weakness to add. This candle wasn't pushing, and then I was gonna have stops right here above the first 5-minute candle. So I just added 15 more contracts, bringing my average to 0.90. And then unfortunately, this trade took forever to get back down. Like I said, I was looking for a move back down to 260. And as you can see, just a whole hour slow grinding down. This green line right here is just the 61.8 fib. As you can see from the bottom to the top, that's all it is right there. And I knew they were going to try to hold this area off to pretty much get bulls, you know, thinking that we're going to push back up higher. But I knew they were just going to pretty much liquidate them as soon as they got in, use them as liquidity to keep going, push down further. And I actually ended up getting out right here at this red candle because, you know, already profits were already looking good, and also I was getting a little impatient, to be honest, and work. So, but as you can see, we broke 260. My whole idea for today was that we closed under 260. So as you can see, came down all the way to the 200 EMA, which was what I really wanted. Well, what I really wanted was a close under 255, but maybe that'll be in play next week. I'd have to look at the options. And yeah, and I'll post little screenshots of how much I made on both. I think it was 3,300, something like that. Easy day, quick. And I had the same idea for NVIDIA, but I'm happy I kind of didn't take NVIDIA because my whole idea, what I wanted for NVIDIA is break over 190 and fail. And we just didn't get there. And these are, well, the 3 tickers I trade the most is probably NVIDIA, AMD, and SPY, SPY. But I couldn't get a good read on SPY. And AMD was just looking too good. So I just decided to pick this one for today. And yeah.